And a judge overseeing the Rosa Parks civil lawsuit is accused of misconduct on the bench. Good evening. I'm Stephen Clark.
And I'm Diana Lewis. Rosa Parks was heralded as the matriarch of the civil rights movement. But the fight over her estate has taken a bizarre turn.
Now, we're learning that the lawyer now wants to remove the judge from the bench. 7 Action News investigator Bill Proctor is here right now with why Judge Freddie Burton may soon be the target of an investigation. What have you learned about this?
A lot of headbutting over the years in this case. The lawyer representing the estate plans to file a complaint with the Judicial Tenure Commission because he says Judge Freddie Burton has acted improperly and should be removed. Most recently, Burton dismissed the lawsuit filed against the judge himself.
It's hard to describe how egregious it is.
Stephen Cohen represents the Rosa and Raymond Parks Institute for Self-Development.
He's a defendant in a case in his own courtroom, and he has simply dismissed the case without ever answering the complaint, without a motion for dismissal being filed, and without doing what he should have done, which is to disqualify himself from the case.
Cohen insists this document dismissing his lawsuit against Judge Burton, signed and ordered by Burton himself, is, according to Cohen, just the latest misconduct from the bench.
He's granted hundreds of thousands of dollars in fees to court cronies. He has taken away property from my clients, and he's entered a series of orders without conducting hearings. The Supreme Court ordered him to set aside a number of those orders, and he's refused to do so.
Well, it's another unusual twist in a very unusual case.
7 Action News legal analyst Tom Cranmer says the judge's order will be questioned on many levels.
The judge has decided apparently that he feels comfortable in deciding a case that involves himself personally. That's always treading into some fairly dangerous water.
He should have disqualified himself instantly from the case, and a visiting judge from another probate court or circuit court could have been appointed to hear the matter. None of the other Wayne County probate court judges are eligible to hear a matter involving one of their brother judges.
Attorney Cohen is filing a request to have the Court of Appeals take over the Rosa Parks estate case in addition to that JTC complaint. We called Judge Burton's office seeking comment. His staffer said that he was in a conference. We have not heard back from Judge Freddie Burton.
We've talked a lot about this Judicial Review Commission, the deciding Judge James. The story you've also been, are they the ones who will ultimately decide on this thing?
They are the only ones, apparently, that can look into a situation and this kind of complaint. And so Cohen believes that he has enough evidence to bring formal charges. But, of course, it's the JTC's decision.
All right. We'll watch your coverage of the Judicial Tenure Commission. Thanks, Bill.
Thanks, Bill.